Right here in Arkansas. Raining like cats and dogs. At the old Loves. I had to come to Arkansas to get this car part, that heat valve regulator that was really needed. Else my van has no heat, so tomorrow I'll install it. And then I'll continue the rest of my journey up to the snow. Going up to upstate New York. It's very icy. No more fogged up windows. And I'll have more heat. All because I needed this little part. It's called a heat valve regulator for 99 Siennas. And found it at a junkyard in Arkansas. And I'm so blessed to be able to get that part. It's like God was leading me there, so I got it. Only cost me $25 at the dealership. It's $170, and I've been needing it for like a year. Haven't had that extra money, so. And then no junkyards in Colorado had it, so I got it. We're good. I'll be putting this thing on. I'll be ready to go. So that's what it is.